Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the news. A quick look at the headlines. HNLC legal counsel Fernando Shangpeng appeared before tribunal, late by a month. Meghalaya's Byrnihat grapples with severe pollution crisis. CM Conrad Sangma seeks Assam's cooperation to address crisis. Shillong hit by sudden rain and hailstorm, high-tension poles collapsed at FCI Road, affecting power supply. And permanent court building of subdivisional court inaugurates in Dadengre. The news in detail. The legal counsel of HNLC, Fernando Shangpeng, who was not allowed to file his show cause by the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act Tribunal, as the tribunal had fixed February 13th as the date for the HNLC to submit objections on the matter. The legal counsel of HNLC, Fernando Shangpeng, appeared before a tribunal here on Saturday for the first time. He told media persons that he had submitted before the tribunal to allow him to file show cause on behalf of the HNLC, as they want the ban on the organization to be lifted. Informing that the union government and state government had already submitted their affidavits, the legal counsel said that now they have to proceed ahead in the matter by cross-examining all the witnesses. According to Shangpeng, he will cross-examine all the witnesses submitted by the Union of India and the state government on April 9th in Guwahati.
Have to proceed ahead for regarding the cross-examination. So by Monday, by next week, from the Union of India, they will supply me the copy of the deposition along with the affidavit. Then the state also, they will on the next week they will supply me the copy of the deposition along with the affidavit, and based on that, then from my side I have to go through what I have needed to before I go to for cross examination regarding all the witness that has been submitted by the Union of India and the state government.
Meghalaya's Byrnihat area is facing a severe pollution crisis, with toxic pollutants exceeding permissible limits. In response, the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board has begun an intensive audit of industrial units in the area under orders from Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. The audit findings are expected to be submitted by the end of this month. Meghalaya and Assam are working together to address the crisis, with Sangma reaching out to his Assam counterpart, Himanta Biswa Sharma.
So the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board regularly monitoring all the industries located in the Byrnihat area, and also some time and again we are surprise inspection also we are doing, and whichever the industries is not complying with the terms and conditions imposed by the Pollution Control Board, and we are giving directions under Water Act, Air Act, and also we are issuing closer notice if they are not complying in time frame. Then and also there are some instances we have imposed a normal compensation also. So this way we are regulating the Pollution Control Board. We are regulating the all industries to ensure the compliance of the Pollution Control Board norms. And
Shillong experienced a sudden shift in weather today, with rain and a hailstorm sweeping through the city, disrupting daily activities. The India Meteorological Department had issued an advisory warning of thunderstorms, lightning and hail across multiple districts, including East Khasi Hills. High-tension poles collapsed in some areas of FCI Road, causing power outages. Restoration work is currently underway. Trees were uprooted and electricity poles collapsed, creating hazardous conditions. People are advised to remain cautious due to slippery roads and possible disruptions in daily life. A sudden and intense hailstorm struck Umroi today, causing widespread destruction to standing crops and properties. The hailstorm, which lasted several minutes, severely damaged standing crops, dashing farmers' hope for a good harvest. Eyewitnesses reported that the hailstones were unusually large, pounding fields and flattening crops within moments. Farmers were seen surveying their devastated fields, some in tears as they counted their losses. Several houses were also damaged, with roofs battered and windows shattered by the relentless hail. The Assam Rifles commemorated its Veterans Day today, paying tribute to the courageous men and women who have served the force with dedication and honor. The event was held at the Assam Rifles headquarters in Shillong, where senior officials, veterans and Veer Naris gathered to celebrate the legacy and contributions of the force. The event was marked by a series of events, including a solemn wreath-laying ceremony at the War Memorial, followed by speeches from senior officers highlighting the achievements of the force and its veterans. Veterans Day at Assam Rifles serves as a reminder of the organization's rich legacy and enforces the sense of camaraderie that binds its serving and retired personnel, fostering unity and pride. On World Water Day, Nature Care Initiative organized a national conference on Water for Climate Resilience Northeast India at the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. The conference aimed to address water conservation and climate resilience in Northeast India. Eminent speakers, including water technology experts and educationalists, shared their insights on environmental conservation. 3 recipients from Meghalaya received the National Water Award 2024 for their contributions to water conservation. The conference emphasized the importance of maintaining natural water bodies and preserving the region's ecological balance. The permanent court building of the subdivisional court, Dadengre, was inaugurated yesterday. The ceremony was attended by esteemed guests, including Justice I.P. Mukherjee, Chief Justice High Court of Meghalaya, and Dr. M. Emperin Lingdaw, Law Minister, Government of Meghalaya. In his speech, Rupa M. Marak, MLA of Dadengre constituency, emphasized the importance of accessible justice, stating that the new court will bring justice closer to the people, especially the poor and downtrodden. Justice H.S. Thank You highlighted the court's significance as a beacon of hope for justice delivery, not just for Dadengre but for the entire Garo Hills and the state. Dr. Maisel Emperin Lingdaw reiterated the state's commitment to providing equal justice and free legal aid.
From the side of judiciary, and I believe all of us as citizens, when we open the doors of this, I can say, with all the facilities it has, the state-of-the-art court building, we reaffirm our dedication to upholding rule of law and fostering a society that is based on trust, equity, and righteousness.
Thus, with the establishment of this subdivisional court at Dadengre, we hope to ease the burden for the delivery of justice to the people. We want to first strike justice by ensuring that this court becomes fully functional, thereby ensuring that there is a speedy disposal of the judicial procedures.
One person died on the spot after being run over by a truck in Maringkaneng. The incident happened when the 60-year-old Deilang Shirup Lau boarded off his vehicle at Kinro Maram before reaching Maringkaneng to check on the damages after being hit by an unknown truck earlier. He passed away on the spot and the family has ruled out any foul play into the incident. Shillong, a city nestled in the hills of Meghalaya with its picturesque landscapes and modern infrastructure, Shillong has been touted as a smart city. Underneath the tall outdoor LED displaying screens of Shillong Smart City, many are not so smart. Some are regular concerns, while few are life-changing if addressed too. Here is a report.
Beyond the hustle and bustle of daily life, there exists a community that faces unique challenges. The specially abled community of Meghalaya is looking for simple tweaks in the infrastructure to make their commute safe, accessible and independent. A differently able woman who identified as Reena and uses wheelchair shares her experience of navigating the city's streets, which are often inaccessible and unsafe for people like her. She expressed hope that the government can alter their lives by making things a little easier.
To my experience, we cannot say that city is not accessible. We cannot say that it's accessible for a person like us. If you are to go outside, you would definitely have to be passed through the same road with a lot of vehicles. It's not safe. Many times, with my experience, it's not safe. I went to traveling through footpath. But again, that is not accessible for us. What you have to stop halfway. You will need somebody to help you.
Yeah.
Would love if you can travel on our own. That's it. Yeah, I believe government can do, if they do, implementing accessible footpath, even for a person with us. Accessible footpath, yes.
Dr. Lahun M. Solia, Director of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation, echoes Reena's concern. She emphasizes that much more needs to be done to make Shillong a truly inclusive city.
I found too many patients struggling because they cannot come for their appointments, or struggling because many say, I cannot go to church anymore, or some say, I do not get to meet my friends anymore. So it affects them at a very whole level. Our government, if we want to really stand out, we're already the first in the Northeast, as far as we believe, but if we want to encourage tourism and people coming in from outside, they will work towards that. And I'm sure that that they are doing a lot of things towards that regard. And I know that there are plans of the government to push forward in this, whether it's public transport or things like that. There is still much more needed to be done. I don't think we're anywhere close to being a place which is friendly to our citizens. So, although they have done respectfully a lot, there's still much more to be done. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Doctor.
Thank you all. And
The specially abled community of Meghalaya is not asking for luxury but simple gestures to ensure they are taken on board in this journey of life as we strive to make Shillong a smart city. Let us not forget the need of our specially abled citizens. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
now the weather report. In Tura, the minimum temperature stands at 19 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature at 30 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 91%. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature stands at 9.9 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature at 18.7 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 67%, while the rainfall recorded is 0.2 millimeters. Lastly, in Jowai, the minimum temperature stands at 13 degrees Celsius with a maximum temperature at 21 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 75%. And the forecast in Tura and Jowai indicate that dry weather is likely to occur at most places, whereas in Shillong, light to moderate rain is likely to occur at few places. Before we wind up, a recap of the headlines. HNLC legal counsel Fernando Shangpliang appeared before tribunal late by a month. Meghalaya's Byrnihat grapples with severe pollution crisis. CM Conrad Sangma seeks Assam's cooperation to sudden crisis. Shillong hit by sudden rain and hailstorm. High tension poles collapse at FCI Road, affecting power supply. And permanent court building of sub-divisional court inaugurated in Dadengre. With that, we come to the end of the news bulletin. Do join us tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, good night.